How does Silk Charge&Go IX ensure crystal clear sound quality? Silk Charge&Go IX utilizes Signia Integrated Experience technology to deliver true-to-life sound and speech comprehension. Whether you're in a crowded street or working in an open-plan office or dining in a crowded restaurant, these hearing aids minimizes ambient noise and focuses on providing clear and natural sound, ensuring you hear what matters to you. For more information, visit our website, which is www.aanvihearing.com, or call us on 9658395839.